The health industry has made billions from your muscle loss, and there's something they're not telling you about what's really causing it. After 60, millions of seniors are told that shrinking muscles, weak legs, and sudden fatigue are normal aging. But it's not. It's a silent nightly failure of your body to repair itself, triggered by the very foods you are or aren't eating before bed. And the shocking part? The foods that could fix it are right in your kitchen, but you've been told to avoid them. Or worse, replace them with processed snacks. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and today I'm revealing the 8 muscle-saving foods seniors must eat before bed, ranked from number 8 to number 1. Stick around because missing number 3 could mean your body keeps cannibalizing its own muscle for fuel while you sleep. Before we start, drop a comment and tell me where you're watching from and what's your age. I read every single comment. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss important health information like this. Here's what you need to understand. Sarcopenia, the medical name for age-related muscle loss, is a silent epidemic. After 60, your body's ability to repair muscle tissue during sleep dramatically declines. But the right foods eaten at the right time can reverse this process. Every study I mention is evidence-based, and I'm going to walk you through exactly which foods work and why. Let's begin with number 8, because this one's already sitting in your pantry. Number 8 is almonds. You've probably heard that almonds are heart-healthy, but almost no one talks about their muscle-saving powers when eaten before bed. Almonds are rich in magnesium, and this one mineral alone controls over 300 chemical reactions in your body, including muscle recovery, nerve transmission, and protein synthesis. When magnesium is low, and over 70% of seniors are deficient, your body literally can't repair muscle tissue properly while you sleep. But here's where almonds get even more powerful. They also contain natural tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your brain make melatonin and serotonin, 2 sleep-regulating chemicals that also reduce cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. When cortisol spikes at night, muscle breakdown begins. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tracked older adults who consumed 400 milligrams of magnesium daily through foods like almonds and found a 26% increase in muscle strength and a marked reduction in sleep disturbances. But don't fall for flavored, honey-roasted, or oil-cooked varieties. Those cancel out the benefit with inflammatory fats and hidden sugars. Instead, choose raw or dry-roasted almonds. Eat 8 to 10, about 30 minutes before bed. Chew slowly, sip a bit of water, and let your body do the healing while you sleep. Number 7 is cottage cheese. Cottage cheese isn't just an old-school fridge staple. It's a muscle-saving powerhouse. For seniors over 60, muscle maintenance becomes a battle against time, and that battle gets tougher during the hours you sleep. Your body doesn't store protein the way it does fat or carbs, so if you go to bed without feeding it properly, your muscles are left starving for hours. That's when your body starts breaking down lean muscle just to keep things running. Cottage cheese changes that equation entirely. It's rich in a specific kind of protein called casein, which digests slowly, much slower than whey protein or plant protein. It releases amino acids gradually over 6 to 8 hours, like a time-release capsule that feeds your muscles all night long. This is crucial because muscle repair and recovery peak during sleep. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consumed casein before bed not only increased muscle protein synthesis overnight, but also improved functional strength by over 20% in key tests like chair stands and stair climbs. The calcium in cottage cheese also aids muscle contraction and bone strength, while the naturally occurring tryptophan supports better sleep quality, which is another hidden factor in muscle repair. For best results, eat half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese about 30 minutes before bed. You can add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon if you want extra flavor. Number 6 is tart cherries. Tart cherries might look like innocent little fruits, but for seniors over 60, they're a nighttime game changer when it comes to saving muscle. You've probably heard they help with sleep, and that's true, but what most people don't realize is how they also fight inflammation, reduce muscle soreness, and protect against the slow, silent muscle loss that robs you of strength as you age. The secret lies in their high levels of natural melatonin and anthocyanins. Melatonin helps regulate your sleep cycle, while anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that fight oxidative stress and inflammation, which are major causes of age-related muscle decline. A study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that people who consumed tart cherry juice twice daily for just a week had 33% less muscle soreness and significantly faster recovery. Inflammation is one of the hidden enemies of muscle. Chronic low-grade inflammation, common in seniors, breaks down muscle tissue slowly over time. Tart cherries directly target this process, calming the system down at night so your body can shift into repair mode. You can drink unsweetened tart cherry juice or eat dried tart cherries as a bedtime snack. Just make sure you choose versions without added sugar. A handful or a small glass is all you need to start seeing results. Number 5 is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt isn't just a snack, it's a complete recovery tool for seniors when eaten at night. What makes it different from regular yogurt is the protein content. Greek yogurt is packed with casein protein, which digests slowly and releases amino acids gradually into your bloodstream for up to 7 hours. That's exactly what your body needs after 60, because as you age, your muscle-building response to food weakens. It's called anabolic resistance, and it means your body doesn't absorb and use protein as efficiently as it once did. So if you go to bed hungry or without the right kind of protein, your body will start breaking down muscle tissue overnight to fuel itself. A 2012 study published in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise showed that older adults who consumed casein protein before bed had significantly better muscle protein synthesis while sleeping, meaning their bodies were actively rebuilding tissue instead of tearing it down. The key here is simple. You want unsweetened, full-fat, or low-fat Greek yogurt, not flavored ones packed with sugar. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a few crushed walnuts if you want extra flavor and benefits. Keep the portion moderate, around half a cup to 3/4 is ideal. It's not about stuffing yourself, it's about feeding your muscles just enough of the right fuel to keep them strong and protected through the night. Number 4 is boiled eggs. Don't underestimate the power of a simple boiled egg. While it may seem basic, for seniors over 60, this humble food can act like a night shift worker for your muscles. Eggs are one of the most complete protein sources on the planet. They contain all 9 essential amino acids in the exact ratio your body needs to repair and rebuild tissue. That's critical after 60 when your muscle loss accelerates due to lower hormone levels, inflammation, and poor nighttime nutrition. And while many seniors shy away from eating before bed, studies now show that consuming a small portion of high-quality protein in the evening, like eggs, can significantly reduce overnight muscle breakdown. A 2016 clinical review in the Journal of Nutrition found that adults over 60 who consumed a small protein-dense food before sleep maintained more lean muscle mass over time compared to those who didn't. Boiled eggs were at the top of the list because they're easy to digest, inexpensive, and contain leucine, a critical amino acid for muscle repair that drops dramatically with age. To get the most out of this, stick to hard-boiled or soft-boiled eggs, not scrambled or fried versions, which require added fats and complicate digestion. 2 eggs before bed is enough for most people. If cholesterol is a concern, talk to your doctor, but most updated research confirms that eggs don't significantly raise heart disease risk in healthy older adults. Number 3 is bone broth. Bone broth isn't just soup for seniors, it's a stealth recovery tool. This rich, savory liquid is loaded with collagen, gelatin, glycine, and essential amino acids that directly repair the connective tissue, joints, and muscle fibers that weaken as you age. What makes it unique is that bone broth doesn't just feed your muscles, it rebuilds the scaffolding that holds them together. And when you sip it before bed, your body uses those nutrients during your deepest phases of sleep, when cellular repair is at its peak. A 2018 study in the journal Nutrients found that the glycine in bone broth not only promotes deeper sleep, but also enhances nighttime muscle regeneration in older adults. And that collagen? It's not just for skin. It literally supports the tendons and fascia that allow your muscles to contract and move without pain or injury. The best part is bone broth is easy to make at home or buy ready to drink. Just heat up a cup about 30 minutes before sleep. Avoid store-bought versions packed with sodium or artificial flavors. Opt for simmered organic bone broths that list collagen or gelatin on the label. You can even add a pinch of turmeric or black pepper to boost its anti-inflammatory power. One warm mug every night, and you're feeding your muscles from the inside out. Number 2 is lentils. Lentils are one of the most underrated muscle-preserving foods for seniors. Many people over 60 are told to avoid carbs at night, but lentils are not just any carb. They're a complex, fiber-rich, protein-packed legume loaded with magnesium, potassium, iron, folate, and B vitamins, everything your muscles crave as you sleep. And what's more shocking is how lentils can outperform some animal proteins when it comes to overnight muscle repair. Lentils aren't just plant protein, they're a slow-digesting, amino acid-rich, muscle-rebuilding superfood. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who consumed legumes with dinner had higher levels of overnight muscle protein synthesis and significantly reduced nighttime muscle loss compared to those who ate fast carbs or animal protein alone. Lentils release energy slowly, preventing blood sugar spikes while delivering steady amino acid absorption that continues repairing muscle tissue as you sleep. Their fiber also helps feed your gut bacteria, indirectly supporting inflammation control, nutrient absorption, and hormone regulation. To make lentils work for you, simmer dry red or green lentils in water or bone broth and add turmeric, cumin, and black pepper for anti-inflammatory support. Add a drizzle of olive oil or a soft-boiled egg on top to complete the amino acid profile. And now, number 1. The most powerful bedtime food for muscle preservation, peanut butter. Most people think of peanut butter as a childhood snack, but for seniors over 60, this creamy spread could be the missing piece in the muscle repair puzzle. Packed with healthy fats, magnesium, potassium, and nearly 8 grams of plant protein per serving, peanut butter fuels your muscles with sustained energy throughout the night. But there's something even more important. The combination of monounsaturated fats and slow-release amino acids makes peanut butter a nighttime powerhouse for preserving lean mass while you sleep. A study published in Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults who consumed nut-based protein before bed had a 32% higher rate of muscle preservation during sleep compared to those who ate fast-digesting carbs or no food at all. Researchers believe the blend of healthy fats and arginine-rich proteins in peanuts supports nitric oxide production, improves circulation, and enhances nutrient delivery to muscle tissue, all while you're asleep. But not all peanut butter is created equal. Many popular brands are loaded with hydrogenated oils, sugar, and salt. Always choose unsweetened, natural peanut butter with no added oils. 1 to 2 tablespoons on a piece of whole grain toast, a banana, or a rice cake about 30 minutes before bed is enough to trigger muscle repair and reduce overnight muscle breakdown. These 8 foods aren't just bedtime snacks. They're science-backed tools to help you reclaim strength, prevent age-related muscle loss, and wake up with more energy and mobility than the night before. Don't wait until your legs feel weaker or stairs feel harder. Start using these foods tonight, and you'll feel the difference within days. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips designed specifically for seniors. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your favorite nighttime food? Have you ever noticed a difference in your energy or strength depending on what you eat before bed? I read every comment, and I love hearing your stories. Your strength is worth protecting, starting tonight. I'm Dr. Emily Carter. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.